everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add phone number on Shopify. If you want to add a phone number on Shopify, then the process is quite simple. First, open your Shopify application and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside this main homepage of Shopify, tap on your profile picture or the store's initial at the top left-hand corner, which will then open up an expanded menu. From the menu, select your email address or your username, and under your account menu, tap on Manage Account. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to the website accounts.shopify.com. Here, you can easily go ahead and update your account information, your pictures, and other information. Scroll down and make sure to go and tap on this Add button right next to phone number. Select your country code from the drop down and then enter a phone number. After you are done, tap on I'm human and tap on Send Authentication Code. Now, type in the authentication code that you receive via SMS and then tap on Add Phone Number. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add phone number for your Shopify account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye till then.